This video I will share you less important updates about Litecoin, its price prediction 2025 and its major central exchange listing that we can see is listing on Binance Exchange in coming few months or not. So videos be very special. Very important you have to just for the complete here. Trust Litecoin current price 0.7 times $0.77 and its last 30 days performance is somehow not good. You can see 30% up in last 30 days, 20% dump in last 14 days, 3% dump in last 24 hours. $68.7 billion market cap right now. So still market cap is awesome, very good market. $3.8 million trading volume. So trading volume is also good. 888 trillion coin supply is all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. After that, this meme coin is launched on Arbitrum Scan. Also, you can see DWF left portfolio investing here, and this Elon Musk inspired meme coin. We are almost 82% down. This all-time high was 10 months ago, and its all-time low was 1 year ago, where from we are 10,000% up. Coin has already killed three zeros. Okay, when its MAC is all-time high, so this is awesome performance and still we are 82% down. So right now this meme coin is in massive dip here. Okay, crypto.com has listed, Bybit has listed, Bitget, KuCoin Exchange has listed, DGET has listed, MEXC, CoinW. So already many central exchanges has listed this coin. I can see friends, crypto.com is here, get.io is here, but still there's no Binance Coinbit yet, there's no Kraken, Gemini. So in future it's definitely possible that we can see Ladies Coin listing on many major central exchanges, and recently their website is also updated here. Okay, and its logo is also changed. Before that its logo was not this. You can watch that in my previous videos, but right now its logo is also changed here. You can see these are the central exchanges where this coin is listed, because working on Ethereum and also on Arbitrum Scan. You can check out all further details here on scan, okay, on their website. After 60, as I'll show you, 888 trillion coin supply out of 94% token sent to liquidity pool, and that is burned. CLP tokens are burned, so this is awesome. 1% supply is already distributed, and Pepe tokens holders and Lady NFTs holders, so this is awesome. And its roadmap, you can check out all further details here. 24,791 holders. So number of holders are also good, friends. 24,000 holders for this meme coin. You can see crypto.com holds highest of supply, that is 21%. Okay, Bybit holds 16% of supply, and other wallet hold 8% of supply. Crypto.com's second wallet holding 7% of supply. So only crypto.com exchange is holding 28% of ladies coin. You can see, friends, wallet number 7 is Kucan, wallet number 9 is MEXC, and other Bitget wallet holding Get.io, GWF Less Portfolio, Hobby Global, and Get.io, HTX, MEXC. So mostly supply hold on central exchanges. So this is good. There's no any value share. Okay, all is supply. Okay, mostly supply hold by crypto.com exchange. You can see wallet number 41 is crypto.com wallet. So this is good. And so friends, no doubt this token look amazing. And now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is at $68 million. But friends, I think this is next $1 billion market cap meme coin. Like we can see this market cap maybe $3 to $5 billion in next year mega balloon after 8 to 10 months from now. This meme coin can be the $1 billion market cap here. And friends, my price prediction is $3 to $5 billion. For your price prediction, do you think Binance will list this coin soon? Because I think in coming few months, then crypto market will again recover here. We can see again new BTC all-time high and super massive bull run in meme coins. Then definitely Ladies coin will list on Binance, because already Bybit has list, crypto.com has list, KuCoin has list. So it means already listed on many major central exchanges. But it's definitely possible that we can see Ladies listing on Binance in coming few months here.